Civil law, also termed Roman laws, was originally administered in the Roman Empire and codified under Justinian in the 6th century. It includes the law of person, the family, inheritance, property, toils, unjust enrichment, and contract and remedies by which interests falling within these categories are judicial protect. Although actually enforced, but drastically changed since 533. The first three books of the Institute of Justinian, a person of ethics of obligation, and the major civil codes all deal with substantially the same set of problem and relationship called civil law. Technically, the civil law includes only the law of person, natural and legal, the family, inheritance, property, and obligation. Civil law is fundamental law. It is a studies first and subsequent studies in built on it. No society is able to live in an orderly way without an aggregate of rules governing the relation among the person will change with enforcing the observance. This is a typical traditional approach. Applying this tradition to the state, it is the necessity for an aggregate of norms that regulate the relation among citizens and for organs and institutions that enforce observance of the norms established by the law. The law norm is a general notion. It is not addressed to specific individuals but to a model fact situation. One difficulty with the model situation is the occasionally the application of the abstract norm to the concert a case give place to consequence that often the sense of justice. Equity is the power to vary application of the norms is the justice of the concerned individual. The civil law traditional recognizes only state two, and next by legislative power, administrative regulation, and custom as search of law. There is no systematic hierarchical theory of source of law. Legislation of force is law, book, so are other things, including judicial definition. The main division of law, the initial of law in the civil law traditional is into public law and private law. This distinction is a fundamental, necessary, and evident. This distinction has a long history. It was actively employed during the process of codification and reform in the 19th century and become basic to systematic reconstruction of the legal order. The codified civil law was the heart of private law, and the dominant concept of the codes were individual private property and individual freedom of contract. The emphasis on rights of property and contract in the codes guarded individual right against intrusion by the state. The civil codes were of a serving and constitutional function. Any principle of prior law that were incorporated in the codes received their validity not from their previous existence, but from their incorporation and reenactment in codified form. Thank you.